do this again. Ready? Golly. Okay, this time I'm going to try not to drop it. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Oh yeah. I hear that one. Ooh. See how that looks. That's looking pretty proper. I like that one. Very nice. Okay, let's see the hardness on this one. And oh yeah. Yep. Beautiful. Hey, shout out to my gloves. Another special shout out to my clamps. Alright, let's do this. Fold it over. I'm going to look at it. Right about there. let's see where we want this. I already know the first one, right here. Okay, purple. All right, just finished her up. Kydex is looking on point as usual. DMKusa thumb ramp, of course. Goes way back to 2012. Let's see how the retention. Whew, that's loud. It's gonna wake up my neighbors. One more time. Ready? Very nice. See if I can get it out. Oh! Went flying, huh? 1095 steel. Heat treated to 58 to 60 HRC. Tanto style. I've made this design in the past. There's a video somewhere. C-Tech scales. White aerospace pins. Very lightweight. Feels good in the hand on this one. I left it a little thick. A little bit of meat on there. Okay. See how she cuts. Oh yeah. As you were expected. Come on. Yep. Let me go get that sheath. Alright. Thanks for coming in, checking out this quick video. Shout out to all my new subs. Special shout out to my existing subs, especially the DMKusa crew. You know who you are. Shout out to everyone rocking out with me over on Instagram. That's where I'm at. Full time at Full Throttle. Oh, I almost forgot. Another special shout out to all the woodpeckers and plugs out there. You know who you are as well. I'm out of here. Cheers.